The Hebrew Academy Middle School is a unique school in comparison to others because we are on the smaller side, and due to that, we are able to meet the individual needs of each of our students for their academic and social-emotional learning. The new space has state-of-the-art technology. We have a learning lab, an innovation lab, and various science and chemistry labs that we're able to use. The members of our staff really know our students, and they've seen them grow from some elementary school all the way through 12th grade. In middle and high school, because we do share staff, our teachers are able to see that growth and development, and at the same time, they're able to work with the students in a way in which other schools might not be able to.
I love attending Hebrew Academy because I'm able to see my friends every day, able to connect with them. The rabbis, they really help you spiritually connect, and also all the teachers in general. They help you if you're struggling. They'll push you to work harder.
Judaic Studies in middle school is designed to help students learn how to apply the lessons and the skills that they have learned in their formative elementary school years to life. By students being grounded in our holy text and learning how to apply their text in their lives. So we teach them how to apply those little ideas coming from our holy books into their traditions.
I've been here since kindergarten, and I feel like in elementary school I was prepared for middle school, and now in middle school I'm prepared for high school.
My favorite thing about Hebrew Academy is how welcoming everyone is. I feel like I just came last year and everyone's just like my best friend already, and I feel like everyone's my family.
The middle school program focuses on the true development of the child during this critical stage in their life. The 3 years of middle school is the most amount of growth and development that a child experiences throughout its lifetime. Due to that, all of our educators in the middle school are highly trained and professional when it comes to meeting the needs of the students of this grade level. Having both the middle and high school in the same building has allowed not only our staff to plan better for vertical alignment in our curriculum, but has also allowed for our students to be able to work with our high school teachers so that they are better prepared for the transition to high school.
I come here because I know that every day I'm going to see happy faces that are always going to be welcoming and warming to me and make me laugh no matter what.